And so, as you can see, with 60 seconds, we could click on this 346 plus subscribers, and all I had to do was tweet what's going on. So that's right. Today I'm going to show you how to get hundreds of subscribers, literally with just 60 seconds or less of your time. It is super easy and super effective, and this video itself is going to be short. So if you're really interested in growing on YouTube, watch this video. Super simple. If you're interested in more information, how to grow on YouTube, be sure to subscribe to step notifications, because I share the same methods I used to grow multiple channels across various niches, and as you can see, we're almost at 2000 subscribers on this channel alone. And so I'm always sharing the best tools and tactics that I test out for you, and then I only share the ones that actually work. So let's get right into this. Here we are. We're on a video of mine. It's a short video. If you're not familiar, we'll go over shorts really quick, but I'm going to show you a specific tactic. I used to get hundreds of subscribers with these videos. These are 60 seconds or less long. They're super easy to make and actually show you another trick or another hack to make them without even any extra work, really. And again, we're using this to get your channel to get subscribers. So first and foremost, you can see right here it is a short video. It's less than a minute long. Let's go ahead and look at the analytics. And right here, this video has brought in over 340 subscribers, 346 to be exact. I'll click on this, click around so you can see this as real. Now, before we get into the actual method that I use to get people to hit the subscribe button with short videos like this, let me first show you how to create a short video in case you're not familiar. So there's only 3 things you need to do to create a short video. The first is make sure your video is less than 60 seconds, simple enough. Then next thing you need to do is make sure your video dimensions are 1080 wide by 1920 high. So just like the screen of your smartphone. Now, if you're going to use an editor on your computer, just make sure those are the dimensions. And then lastly, I have to do is in the title put in hashtag shorts, as you can see right here in this title. Do those 3 things and boom, you have yourself a short video now. A short video themselves are great because YouTube is really pushing these. There's not a ton of people doing them yet, so there's not a lot of competition. And I think why YouTube is really pushing this type of content, the short videos. It's to sort of put it up against TikTok. And so YouTube does not want to leave that market untouched. So this is their answer to the TikTok video. Now, one of my favorite method of using these types of videos, these short videos to get people to subscribe is to treat these short videos like a movie trailer. So what is the purpose of a movie trailer? Well, a movie trailer is simply puts together select little scenes from a movie with the whole purpose of getting you to want to watch the whole movie. So in general, I use these just like that. I try to give people a compact, as much valuable information in that 60-second time frame as a trailer for the content on my channel. So give people quick, little short, powerful hacks, methods, tricks, tactics to use, and they'll say, hey, if you want more of that, just subscribe to my channel so you can get full-length videos on it where I can go in depth and show you more. But now to treat it like an actual trailer, and what I mean with this method where you don't hardly have to do any extra work, because I've done this on my gaming channel, and that is, you're going to record a video. Anyways, let's say you're recording some gameplay. Let's say it's a driving game, and this is just an example. Obviously, you can apply this to any niche. So let's see, record 5-10 minutes of you driving in the new Sports of 5 game that's coming out, or in GTA. So you record that video, then just simply go back in, take bits and pieces of the best parts of that video. Maybe it's just a badass compilation of your driving near misses, jumps, beating someone in a race, getting away from the police. And all they do is compile 30 seconds of that, 60 seconds of that into a trailer for the longer video. So you post your shot of this compilation of all the best moments in that video, and then you simply tell people for the full video, be sure to subscribe because it's going to drop soon. You're not going to want to miss it. Take it very little extra time. You already created the video anyways, the regular length video, you just took a few snippets of that video and made a simple 30-second, 60-second short video as a promotion for that other video. Now, YouTube is going to push the short videos again, more so than normal videos for the reasons I just mentioned. There's also less competition with the short videos, and so you can use that traffic to that video to push people to your channel, to your content, and to the regular sized video that you've made, the regular length video that you made, and prompt them to subscribe so they don't miss that regular length video. So give this a shot. Start creating video trailers for your content. Post them out there. Prompt people to subscribe so they don't miss the video when you actually drop it. Post that a day or two before you post your regular video and see how effective this method can be. So let me know what you think in the comments below. If the video is good, leave a like, then I'm going to end this up and I will see you in the next video.